In this video, I will demonstrate how to delete your account in Flow. To do so, simply open the Flow app and tap on your avatar in the top left corner. From there, select Privacy Settings from the menu. Under Privacy Settings, you will see several options, including Flow Privacy Explained, Request Information, Change Account Details, Manage Your Consents, and Delete My Account. To delete your account, simply tap on the Delete My Account option. Please note that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you delete your account, all of your data will be erased. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.